Hello people of the internet. Today I'll show you how to pin and unpin an application from the taskbar for Windows 10. Let's get started. You can see that I've already pinned Google Chrome, Steam, Spotify and Minecraft. Here you can also change the volume, change Wi-Fi settings, organize OneDrive, check time and date, check notifications. To begin, open your desired application. If your application does not appear in the taskbar, simply search it. This example will be using Microsoft Edge. You can see once you opened it, they will have a greyish background. This just means that the application is currently on screen. Right click on the symbol in the taskbar, left click on Pin to Taskbar, close the application and it should be there. You can do this with multiple applications, but what if you have too much, or you don't like a specific one being there? Simply right click, unpin to taskbar. That's it guys, thank you for watching.